The first Bitcoin and Gold ETP has been launched. Brazil's Senate gives Bitcoin the green light, and institutional investors have high expectations for the future of crypto. My name is Ben. This is your nightly crypto news wrap up. Let's get it. What do you get when Bitcoin meets gold? Bold? In today's rendition, when old meets new, Bold is the name of a new exchange-traded product, or ETP, that combines the two assets, gold and Bitcoin. 21 Shares, the world's largest crypto ETP provider, tweeted out, together with ByteTree Asset Management, 21 Shares officially launches Bold, an ETP aiming to deliver inflation protected by tracking an index that gives optimal risk-adjusted exposure to Bitcoin and gold. This is the first ETP that combines Bitcoin and gold. Today, 21 Shares announced its listing on the SIX Swiss exchange. Upon launch, the weighting of the Bold ETP is 18.5% Bitcoin, 81.5% gold. The ratios rebalance monthly based off the comparative volatility between the two. What that means is, whichever of the two is less volatile will hold the majority of the ratio. So no surprise there. Charlie Arith, CEO at ByteTree, stated, gold has historically delivered portfolio protection in inflationary environments, while Bitcoin is the digital equivalent of gold, with growing adoption by investors as a distinct asset class and a core store of wealth. In a time of rising structural inflation and heightened geopolitical risk, we believe this can act as an important risk and return diversifier in a balanced portfolio. Just like with Fidelity offering Bitcoin and 401ks, considering the rate of mass adoption, more and more of crypto-based investment options will continue to roll out on a global scale. It's happening, folks. The current prices might not reflect the progress, but the dominoes are falling in our favor. Before we know it, crypto is going to be the global standard. How do I know that? This week alone, I've seen more headlines about countries greenlighting crypto than I have in a long time. Monday, it was the Central Africa Republic. And yes, they are adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. Today, though, Brazil is the country making headlines. Back in 2015, Brazil's crypto bill unfortunately got shut down because they didn't have the support they needed. This year, the bill was reintroduced by Senate President Rodrigo Pacheco, and guess what? This time, the Senate said yes. Let's go, Rodrigo. Now the bill goes to a vote in the Chamber of Deputies, similar to our House of Representatives, before President Jair Bolsonaro signs it into law. The vote is expected to be favorable, and Brazil's crypto light will officially turn green by the end of 2022. They still have to figure out who will be the regulatory body and details like that, but this is big for crypto. Brazil is the largest country in all of South America, and the vote is 99% likely to pass, considering Rio de Janeiro has already announced plans to accept crypto payments for taxes. Bullish news for Brazil. But is there any bullish news in the charts? Let's pass it over to special guest Taco for a market watch. Crunchy.
All right, thank you, Ben. And as you may notice, I am not Frankie Candles. I am Crypto Taco. You can find me on Twitter, crypto_taco01. Now let's get right into the markets. All right, we got Bitcoin coming in at $39,178, up 3.18% on the day. We got Ethereum sitting at $2,882, up 2.75% on the day. Tether holding strong at $1. And then we got BNB sitting at $390, up almost 2% on the day. Top gainers, Secret, up almost 16%, sitting at $4.68. We got Steppen, still on that tear. It's up 14.54% on the day. And then we got Convex Finance, up almost 13%, sitting at $27.44. And you know ApeCoin is still on a little bit of a tear here, up to almost $20. It's sitting at $19.42, up 7% on the day, almost 13% on the week. All right, the losers for today, I know no one likes losers, but we got Clayton sitting at 83 cents, down 3% on the day, almost 3.4%. We got Monero at $229, down 1.9% on the day. And then we got Tezos sitting at $2.79, down 1.7% on the day. All right, and real quick, I just wanted to bring it over to the Bitcoin USD chart. It looks like we're forming support right here at the 37.7 mark. Hopefully this holds. You saw it held down here at 32,995. Got a touch here at 34,330. Hopefully we can hold this mark right here, because if not, it could get ugly. But let's stay positive for right now. If we hold this support, I could see us testing the downward sloping resistance up here at 46,600. It could happen. And then real quick over on Ethereum, we are sitting in this upward sloping channel. We got resistance and support. Same thing as Bitcoin. We had a touchdown here at 2173. We had a touch at 2297. Hopefully we can hold this golden pocket right here. If not, we might come down to around 2600. But if we can hold this, maybe we start going back up to the top of the resistance line, and that could be around 3,700. All right, that's all I got. Crypto Taco out. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you, Taco. The theme of today's video is in line with the message I've been repeating since the beginning of 2022. It's crucial to develop a long-term mindset, because next time this market goes up and to the right, it's going to be monumental. I hear the rumblings, and I've seen the comments. And some people seem to think I've gone full-on bear. The notion couldn't be further from the truth. It's no secret we're in a bear market right now, period. But my optimism for the future is more bullish than ever. Listen, crypto is built off of Max Pain. The charts do everything they can to try to weed out the non-believers, so they're not on the rocket when it launches to the moon. I make these videos every day because I want you to believe, and I want the BitSquad to be there when the rocket launches to the moon. It's inevitable. How am I so sure? 2022 is the year of global adoption kicked into overdrive. Countries are greenlighting crypto left and right. The biggest companies and celebrities in pop culture are aligning themselves with crypto. And most importantly, the institutions are now in the game in a big way. If you don't believe me, believe this headline from finbold.com. It reads, 80% of institutional investors expect crypto to overtake traditional investments in 10 years. Bitstamp recently did a survey of over 28,000 investors from 23 different countries, 5,500 of which were institutional investors. The results are paramount. The findings show that 88% of institutional investors, 75% of retail investors believe that crypto will see mainstream adoption within a decade. In response to this, CEO of Bitstamp, Julian Sawyer, stated, "The adoption of crypto and other digital assets is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Just this week alone, Central African Republic and Brazil putting this in motion. The Mexican Senate building even got its own crypto ATM, so they prepare to regulate crypto. They're saying crypto will see mainstream adoption within a decade, but it's happening right now." That's all I got. Be blessed. The boy out.